Hey guys. Now that we're inching towards the end of 2018, information on the OnePlus 6T is starting to pick up pace. While leaks are flowing in at a steady pace, a fresh piece of information reveals a key feature of the smartphone, with the source being OnePlus itself. The company has now confirmed that the OnePlus 6T will sport an in display fingerprint scanner, and OnePlus is going to call the feature screen unlock. This new feature suggests that there will be no inconvenient rear fingerprint sensor, and the screen unlock and the face unlock features will be the new security options on the OnePlus 6T. OnePlus confirmed to CNET that the OnePlus 6T will sport an in display fingerprint sensor. We unlock our phones multiple times a day, and screen unlock reduces the number of steps to complete the action. By adding this feature in addition to other display unlocking options such as face unlock, users will have options to unlock the display in a way that is most efficient for them, OnePlus told the publication in an email. The OnePlus 6T is expected to launch sometime in early October with a price tag of $550. A recent image leak suggested a waterdrop notch, thin bezel, and a triple camera setup at the back. The triple camera setup on the OnePlus 6T is likely to be accompanied by an LED flash. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on the OnePlus 6T.